कुछ मॉर्निंग्स बहुत स्पेशल होती हैं, इसलिए नहीं कि सूरज अलर्ट से उठता है, बल्कि इसलिए क्योंकि दिल शुक्राना के साथ उठता है। आज की सुबह बिल्कुल वैसी ही खास है। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। टुडे आई woke up early and started my work because today is very special day. Today we have Kanya Pujan at home on the occasion of Daddy's belated birthday and Jitendra's upcoming birthday. So today's entire preparation I'm doing with full of heart, full devotion and a lot of love. Before I start cooking, I always begin with a small chanting. People always ask, why is homemade food, especially his mother's food, so tasty even with simplest tadka? Because food carries your emotions, your prayers, your love, your intentions. And when you chant, your mind becomes peaceful, and that peace becomes a positive aura in the food. I studied DAV, that is Dhanand Anglo Vedic, where chanting mantras every morning was a part of life. Maybe that's why chanting has become a habit and a blessing too. These kind of food I always used to prefer in iron pan because naturally it enhances the flavors and also increases the iron content in food. It gives beautiful dark authentic color to black chana, perfect for Kanya Pujan. And honestly the flavor is beyond words. There is a warmth, a richness that only iron brings. So let's begin with the recipe. First, I pour oil into the kadai and let it heat properly. You need the oil nicely hot, not smoking but warm enough for spices to bloom. Now next is, once the oil is hot, I add hing, or you can say asafoetida powder. The moment it touches the hot oil, it releases a divine aroma. Oh my god, it's amazing. Even though there is no garlic, no onion, hing brings a light warmth and depth. Seriously. And then next what you have to do, right after hing, I add jeera. Let the hing and jeera splutter together. This is the heart of the tadka. Once the jeera start crackling, I add finely chopped green chilies and grated ginger. The moment they hit the oil, the aroma becomes magical. I stir it for a minute so everything blends and the oil start to separate slightly. Green chilies and fresh ginger always create the real foundation of any good tadka. Their sharpness, freshness, and the warmth immediately wake up the oil and brings the whole dish to life. Together, they build a vibrant aroma that forms the heart of the entire recipe, making every next step richer and more flavorful. तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् तूने हमें कृपण किया पालन कर रहा है तू तुझसे ही पात प्राण हम दुखियों के कष्ट हरता तू. After a while of 1 minute approximately, now I can see that oil separates completely. Now I add kasuri methi. Kasuri methi adds a fragrance that elevates the entire dish, especially when cooked in an iron pan. Honestly, the combination is beyond words. Now, simultaneously, you'll take a separate bowl. I mix all the dry spices with water to form a slurry. And the ingredients are turmeric, salt, chana masala, amchur, that is dry mango powder, and Kashmiri red chili. Mixing spices with water helps them roast evenly and prevents burning. Now I add this spice paste into the pan. I stir it well for a minute until the oil starts separating again. This stage gives the chana its deep color and rich taste. This is how my Kanya Pujan black chana is prepared. Every step, every aroma, every spice carries a small prayer from my heart. I always feel that when we cook with devotion, the food becomes more than just food. It becomes a blessing. And today, for Daddy's belated birthday and for Jitendra's upcoming birthday, I wanted to cook something that carries love, purity and tradition in every bite. So now the chana is preparing and the kitchen is slowly filling with the beautiful aroma. Simultaneously, I thought, let me roast suji for halwa. Add दिया है, ये पानी सारा सोक कर लेगा। जब ड्राई हो जाएंगे फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि लास्ट में फाइनली चने कैसे बने। तो नाउ आई एम रोस्टिंग सूजी फॉर द हलवा बिकॉज इन कन्या पूजन chana, halwa, and puri complete each other like a small divine trio. The chana is now reaching its final stage. And just look at the color. It has turned that perfect deep blackish shade, the authentic Kanya Pujan chana we all wait for. And while everything is cooking, I'm also preparing tea because daddy and mama have woken up now and ginger tea is incomplete without biscuit. So let me serve them hot tea with biscuits. And this is how we managed our morning routine.
Chai ready. Morning tea.
दूसरी लाती हूँ ट्रे बिस्किट